Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel, Alexa's Garden. In this video, I want to show you how to prune cucumber plants properly to have a lot of cucumbers, not to grow a lot of leaves. If you want to get a big harvest of cucumbers, make pruning cucumbers several times. How do you prune cucumbers? I want to show you the process. First, sanitize your garden shears for pruning cucumbers. I use ethyl alcohol or boric alcohol, a solution of boric acid in ethyl alcohol, for disinfection. You can also use any hand sanitizer to disinfect your hands. These can be purchased at a pharmacy. Two, detect the main stem of the plant. It is on the main stem that the plant forms the most fruit. The main stem should be grown to a height of 60 to 80 inches. Here is the master stem of a cucumber plant. 3. Remove the lower side stems and leaves. I remove the side stems as soon as they start to form. Look, this is the growing point of the side stem. This needs to be removed so that the plant forms fruit on the main stem and not leaves on the side stems. There are situations when you miss this crucial point. It is not necessary to remove a small cucumber on a side stem if it has already appeared. Leave this fruit and let it grow one leaf under this fruit, which will give it nutrients. The remaining part of the side shoot should be removed. Four, remove any damaged or diseased leaves. I usually also remove the bottom 2 to 3 leaves of the plant to avoid the plant coming into contact with the soil. I also remove a few of the lower cucumber fruits if the plant is still underripe and short in height. Five, cut off the excess suckers, tendrils. They can damage the leaves of the plant and entangle the stems of the cucumber. But remove these with a sterile garden tool to avoid plant diseases. Six, always be aware of pruning and harvesting. This should be done on a regular basis. I inspect the cucumber plants and cut off the side shoots every 3 to 4 days to grow cucumber fruits rather than growing leaves. I also harvest the cucumber crop almost every day. In this case, I also feed the plants with complex organic fertilizers when watering almost every week. Once the cucumber plant reaches a height of about 60 to 80 inches, you can start forming the side shoots of the cucumber. I usually leave 2 leaves on each side shoot. Cucumber fruits will appear near each such leaf. Why do I do this? Because the plant is aging, its reproductive capacity is decreasing. Therefore, the growth of side shoots will provide a longer fruiting and additional harvest of cucumbers. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Don't forget to give a thumbs up below this video. See you soon!